Okay guys, so what we have here is question 15. Sorry? Question 15, is it? Yeah. Okay, so we have these questions here. Okay, now with question 15, okay, it's see the way it's a 1x squared question. See the way the first two are 1x squared questions.
The line where you split it up.
You don't need to do the line where you split it up. You can do it, but you don't need to. Okay. Now, Mick, what's the reference number for this one?
21.
Minus 20. Okay. Because the minus. Now, what two numbers multiply and what numbers in front of the x?
Minus 20 and minus 1 plus 1.
Okay, it's plus 1 because in front of x there's the number plus 1. You just don't put it in. Okay? Now, what two numbers multiply to give you 20?
Minus 1 and minus 20. Oh, minus 4 and
yeah.
5. Minus 5.
Now you picked 5 and 4 because they're separated by a gap of 1. Then all of a sudden you're going to get x plus 5, x minus 4 equals 0. And then what do we get after here?
You have to x equals 5 and x equals 4 minus 4.
Okay, so x equals minus 5 and x equals 4. Is that okay? Alright guys, now what about question 18? So Dennis, for number 18,
sir,
yeah.
The other one, it was x minus 4 and 5, you said that was right.
Sorry?
It's x is 5 and minus 4, you said that was right.
Oh, 5 and minus 4, sorry, it was minus 4 and 5 because it's a plus 1. Okay, sorry, my bad. Your answer would have been for a minus 1 in the middle.
Yeah.
Okay, so Nick,
Yeah.
what about number 18? Nick, sorry. Okay, Nick.
You multiply x squared.
Not x squared, you multiply 1 by?
1 by 24, sorry.
So reference number is what?
Minus 24.
Minus 24. Two numbers that multiply to give you minus 24.
64.
Oh.
Oh.
6 and 1 is
How fast are you going? The time's fast.
You guys, give me a second. Guys, what we're doing is basically we have a reference number of minus 24 and Nick, what did you say it was?
8 and 3.
8 and 3. Which one's the negative though?
3.
3 is not the negative because 8 minus 3 is plus 5 and we're looking for minus 5.
Minus 8.
So it's minus 8 and
Plus 3.
plus 3, okay? And then that equals 0.
You switch them mofos over.
Pardon, buddy. Okay, so it's 8 minus x minus 8 equals 0, x equals 8, x plus 3 equals 0, x equals minus 3. How many people got that out yesterday? Yes. Okay, so the majority of class getting this stuff out. Okay, now next one after that, okay, was 21, 24. Now guys, with 21, I'm just going to add in 2 additional questions with 21, right, just make sure we read our stuff. Okay guys, 21 is this here, so Nick, how do you do this? Mick.
You can get rid of the x's. So it goes x.
Yeah.
X minus 2. Can you stop saying I know the answer?
Minus 2
Minus 2.
equals 0. Okay? When you multiply that back out, does it check out?
Yeah. That
X.
will become an x squared and that will be 2x. So
Okay, perfect. What's the answer now? This one equals 0.
Oh, x equals minus 2.
X minus 2 equals 0.
So x therefore equals plus 2.
X equals plus 2. Okay guys, now if I was to give you this question here, now this is just a different type of question, alright? Pilko, can you tell me how to do this? X bracket. X minus 4 equals 0.
X equals 0. X equals 4.
And after that,
X equals 4.
X minus 4 equals 0. X equals 4. Alright guys, they're both very much the same. What happens if I do this one here? Now, what's the difference between this question here and this question here? The one to the left and the one to the right. What's the difference?
There's no X.
And when there's no X, it's done differently. How do you do it? X squared minus 2 squared. And do you remember to do 2 brackets is right? X plus 2, X minus 2 equals 0. Then you have X plus 2 equals 0. Or X minus 2 equals 0. Bring it over to your side. X equals minus 2. X equals plus 2. Okay guys, now that brings us, it's easy when you remember it, not easy if you don't remember it. Now guys, look at this one here. X squared minus 1. Now Sean, what you notice, is there any X this time?
No.
So you can't take out X. Okay, so it has to be done a different way. What's the way you do it?
Find the square root. X plus
Yeah.
X minus 1.
Okay, because that's basically the same thing. 1 squared is the same as 1.
Yeah.
So you said X plus 1, X minus 1. Then what?
X plus 1 equals 0. X minus 1 equals 0.
X plus 1 equals 0, X minus 1 equals 0. Move to the other side.
X equals minus 4. X equals plus 1.
X equals plus 1. Okay guys. Yes?
There's not X bracket X minus 1 equals 0.
So it's alright. If you say X bracket X minus 1, David, when you multiply that back out, you're going to get X squared minus 1X. You know, so it's not a 1X, it's a 1. Okay, that's the difference. Okay? Alright guys, moving on now to the most difficult ones of all, okay? I'll do 30 and 33, okay? Now, we'll start off with Connor. Connor, how'd you start off number 30?
3x squared.
Yeah. What you do first, you get the reference number. How'd you get the reference number?
3 by 2.
Which is?
9, 6.
6. After that?
Yeah, I get what's in 6.
And you want to make what out of it?
Minus 7.
Minus 7. So what two numbers multiply to give you 6?
Minus 6 1.
6 and 1. Are they both negative or both positive, or?
I'd say make the 6 minus.
Make the 6 minus?
And the 1. And the 1.
And the 1.
Yeah, correct.
Minus 6 minus 1.
Minus 7.
And do they multiply to give you 6?
Yeah, when you multiply 2 minus 2, of course.
Plus, okay. Now this is the long way, so what you do next?
You break up.
Minus 6x. Minus x.
Minus 6x minus 1x plus 2. Alright, I'm going to ask Connor directly here. Connor, what can you take out of the two of these?
Take out the x.
And what else? Any number will divide into the two of them?
3.
3. So 3x into
3, go once.
x, yeah?
X, and then minus 2.
Okay, second bracket is automatically the same. What number goes in here?
Minus 1.
Minus 1. And then finally the last part.
3x minus 1, x minus 2.
3x minus 1 and x minus 2. Now there's one last part there. Mick, can you tell me what the last part is?
You switch them around the sign so they change things. So
You put them both equal to 0
Yeah.
before you do what you were talking about.
So 2 x equals 2.
Yeah.
And
3x equals?
0.
Yeah, put the 1.
Oh, 1.
And then where does the 3 go?
Oh, it is minus, so x equals minus.
Equals the third. Is that right? Okay guys, moving on. Any questions about this one?
No.
The one. Guys, number 33, okay. David, Can you tell me how to start off number 33, please?
2x squared plus 7x minus 15 equals 0.
Yeah.
You get the reference number, which is 30.
The reference number is what?
30?
Minus 30, okay?
Yeah.
Because it's minus reference number of minus 30. Then once you do that,
10 and 3.
so David said it's 10 and 3. Now David, which one should be plus and which one should be minus?
10 should be a plus,
Yeah.
and 3 should be minus.
Double check. 10 minus 3.
7
10 multiplied by minus 3.
minus 3.
So it works. Okay. Replace it in now. And what you get?
2x squared
Yeah.
plus 10x
Yeah.
minus 3x
Yeah.
minus 15 equals 0.
15 equals 0. Shh. Okay guys. Ready? David, what can you factorize out the first two?
That's 2x bracket,
Yeah.
2x bracket x plus 5,
Yeah.
and then bracket x plus 5,
Bracket x plus 5, yeah.
and then minus 3,
Yeah.
and it's 2x minus 3.
Okay. Now you're at this stage, okay? What's the last step, David?
You have to swap them.
Put them equal to 0.
Yeah. So it's 2x minus 3 is 0.
And then the other one.
X plus 5 is 0.
Okay. Then
Plus 5 equals 0 and minus 3 equals 0.
2x equals 3 and x equals.
5.
And when it moves across an equal sign,
Minus 5.
minus 5. And then where does the 2 go? It's multiplied by 2 on the left, which means
Oh, x equals 2.
divide by 2 on the right. Okay guys?
Why is it known as a fraction these days?
Because it goes into a fraction, Mick, when you know when you have 2x,
Yes.
any number directly in front of the x will result in a fraction answer, okay? Alright guys, what question do I